Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a video about Cochin University of Science and Technology admission updates. So I uploaded some video about QSAT and I got good response from all of you. So thanks for supporting me and continue your support. And if anyone forgot to subscribe my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon too if you want future notifications. So without much delay, let's come to the topic. And admission procedure for BTech and all is by entering marks, and QSAT has extended the same procedure to some other courses too, and I will update it in the video. For the students who already applied for the CAT, they have to enter their marks now. This is not for a new admission. So this is one thing I have to tell you. So let's look into the notifications and new updates. Website of academic admissions of QSAT, and we can see some latest updates. And the first one is the mark entry or editing provision is reopened for courses BVOC, BTech, MSc Fire Integrated Photonics and MSc Fire Integrated Science course. And candidates applies for these courses can log into their profile and do details entry or editing till 5 p.m. on 18th. That's I have not entered the details. That's 12 standard marks only through candidate profile before the stipulated time will not be considered for further admission process. So many times QSAT give opportunity for the entering the marks for these courses, and they have given a final chance this time. And also one more thing I have to tell at this time is many students are asking every day in my comment box and mail etc. about when will the result come, rank list come, so they should understand that a little bit more time. Next, let us look about the this is about PG courses. So many students were asking about their PG courses, that's MSc Chemistry etc. Then this is your time, you have to enter there, enter your details. Facility for uploading scanned copy of consolidated mark list of qualifying degree examination is made available in the home login page of applicants of 3-year LLB and other postgraduate programs. So PG programs, students who applied for PG programs should enter their marks now. The last date for uploading the consolidated mark list is 25th September 2020. And rank list preparation and admission procedure for the above said courses will be published later. And this is about the PG and LLB. And the next one is this is the same of PG, and the other one is for MTech. For MTech, second allotment of grade qualified candidates is available in candidates home login page, and last date for certificate upload and payment is 21st. And for MCA lateral entry students, they have to the students who already applied for MCA lateral entry courses have to input their marks in the qualifying examination and other details before 21st of September. The facility for the same is available in the candidate homepage. That's the case of MCA lateral entry students. And for the BTech lateral entry students also, they have to input their marks in the qualifying examination and other details. That's the date for that is also 21st of September. Then mark entry for BBA, LLB, BCom, LLB. The candidates applied for these courses are permitted to input their marks in the qualifying examination and other details before 21st of September, and the facility for the same is active and is available in the candidates login page. Students, these are my updates about QSAT admission procedure. And so as I mentioned in the video, BTech and MSc integrated students have to wait a little bit more, because yesterday was the last date for them to enter their details. And for the others like PG courses, they have to enter their marks now. So I wish all of you get the courses you desire, and I wish you best of luck. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.